Pitt's going potty.
To the potty, the potty.
He didn't flush.
Use the toilet paper.
Pitt, don't forget to wash your hands.
Now you can play, and have some.
He doesn't want to! That toilet is changing. Yikes, it's evil now. Be careful, Penny.
When I'm playing and I want to poop.
Don't get too close.
I hold my poop.
Don't do that. Can hold your poop. Run.
But she needs to use it.
Poop, poop.
To the potty, to the potty.
The toilet is erupting.
To the potty, to the potty.
Can you shut it, Penny?
Poop, poop. To the potty.
That didn't work.
Potty. Have a sip. To the potty, to the potty.
The toilet is overflowing.
Use the toilet paper. Wash your.
Water is getting everywhere.
Now you can play, and have some fun.
You can use the snorkel and plunger. Go got him, Penny.
When I'm playing and I want to poop.
Will it work?
I don't want to go out hold my poop.
Don't do that. Can hold your poop. Run to the potty and poop, poop, poop.
Hooray! It did work.
Potty, have a sip.
The water's gone, but the bathroom is a mess.
The potty, poop, poop, poop. To the potty, to the potty.
You don't need the snorkel, Penny.
To the potty, poop, poop, poop. Use the toilet paper.
The toilet's still mad.
Now you can play, and
It was all Pitt's fault. Let's go get him. He's playing in the bedroom. What's dripping on Pitt's head? It's a very unhappy Penny.
when I'm playing and I want to poop. I don't want to go out hold my poop.
Don't do that.
What did you forget to do, Pitt?
Run to the potty and poop, poop, poop.
To the potty, to the potty.
You should always wipe.
To the potty, to the potty.
What else?
Poop, poop, poop. To the potty,
Flush the toilet when you're done.
have a sip. To the potty, to the potty. Poop, poop.
The toilet is happy.
Toilet paper.
You're not done yet, Pitt.
Now you can play, and have some.
You must always wash your hands. This gets rid of icky germs.
Now when I want to be a poop, I don't hold it, I run to the bathroom. To the potty, to the potty.
That's better.
To the potty, to the potty.
Who is it?
I poop, I pee.
It's Mommy!
To the potty, I have.
And she doesn't like this mess.
To the potty, to the potty. I poop, I pee.
Scrub, scrub, scrub. Let's clean it up. Well done, everyone. Pitt's at the movies.
Oopsie,
Oh, you really need to pee.
much water while I'm in the car.
What should he do?
Oh no, we need to stop the journey. Right.
Where's Daddy's popcorn?
Where is
Pitt, that's not a potty.
potty? Hurry up.
That's yucky.
Here is my potty. I'm so lucky I can take
You need a proper toilet.
it everywhere. Potty, potty,
Yay, Pitt feels better.
potty. Potty, potty,
Now back to the movie.
potty.
Jill's at the beach. She needs the potty.
See, I forgot to use my potty before.
But she doesn't have one.
See, oh no,
Will sand work?
longer swim. I really need
No.
to pee.
Maybe she can go in the water.
Where is my potty? Potty, potty, hurry up.
But that's not fair to others.
Here is my potty. I'm so lucky I
Jill can use the porta potty.
everywhere. Potty, 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 potty. Potty,
Don't forget to wash your hands.
potty, potty.
Penny's at the park. But you really need to poop.
Oopsie, oopsie, I'm at the playground and my
Where can she go?
hurts.
No there, Penny.
Now I am in pain. I really have to run.
You'll ruin the toys. You should use a toilet.
Potty, 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 hurry up.
That's much better.
I'm so lucky.
Oops, Lee needs some toilet paper.
Potty, 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 potty.
Now Spiky needs a toilet.
Potty, potty, potty.
Here you go.
Potty, potty.
Looks like Lenny really had to go. Oh, Polly needs to pee.
Airport, airport.
But where's the toilet?
Fun, fun. Planes, planes.
She'll find it.
Hi. Oh, baby needs a
Be careful, Polly.
potty time, hurry up.
Oh no, all the stalls are taken.
On my potty, I am not moving until I'm
Now what?
done. That
Mommy can help.
I am really happy. Using the potty is so
That's better.
much fun. Beep, beep,
Polly needs the toilet.
go, 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 go. Beep, 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 beep. Fantastic.
It's too far.
Boop, 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 boop.
Daddy brought a potty.
My body. Boop, 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 boop.
It's in a suitcase.
I am ready to sit on my potty.
And it's
I
stuck.
am not moving until I'm done. Patting my feet.
Yay, here it is.
Really happy.
Just in time.
Potty is so much fun.
Polly has to pee again.
It's really fun, fun. Play.
Mommy and Daddy are busy.
Flying high.
Where's the toilet?
Oh, baby.
Can Penny help?
Potty, potty time, potty time.
Let's follow that sign.
I am ready to sit on my potty. I am not moving until I'm done. That
Oh, it's over there.
I'm really happy using the
Watch out!
so much fun. La, la,
Catch them, Penny.
la, la, la. I can take my potty
Polly made it. Not again.
beep, 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 beep.
That lineup is too long.
Go, go, go. Beep, 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 beep. Fantastic job.
You can't sneak in front, Pit.
On my body, boop, 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 boop. On my own,
Penny really has to go.
to sit on my body. I'm not moving until I'm
She can go here.
patting my feet. I'm really happy using the potty.
But don't use too much toilet paper.
It's time to wake Baby up. But Baby made a stinky. Don't worry, Mommy will change her. But changing diapers is hard work. How can Pit and Penny help?
Baby needs potty training.
Baby's never used a potty before. She thinks it's a toy. Pit will try to explain. See, this is where the poop goes. Baby thinks the potty is a hat. Pit wants Baby to keep trying. Mommy will change this dirty diaper.
open her diaper.
They'll follow her with a potty. They'll push the potty in place. They'll put potties everywhere.
Maybe she doesn't like potties.
They'll even try the big toilet. But it's too scary. Mommy, baby won't stop crying.
We wanted to toilet train her.
She's still too small for your potty. Everything has its time.
Yay! Baby's doing it! Good job, kids! Mommy and Daddy are relaxing on a banana boat. While Penny and Pip play on a hill of chocolate. Look! Ice cream! Kids, you shouldn't fight over it. Mommy took it. She has an idea.
Kids, you can make your own ice cream.
Penny loves the idea. What about you, Pit?
Cooking is boring.
What will Penny make? A sundae! Oh no! He switched the cherry topping with hot pepper sauce. Careful, Penny! What else does Penny need? Pit just ate all the whipped cream. There's none left for Penny. Now what is Pit up to? Look what you did, Pit. Pit has something to say.
Penny, I'm sorry. Let's make ice cream together.
Let's see what Mommy and Daddy think. Is it good, Daddy?
Eh?
What do you think, Mommy? Treats taste better when you make them together.